What's up, mi gente? Today we're back in the kitchen and we're making some quick and easy chicken noodle soup using some really thin fideos. First, we'll start by chopping up our carrots, then peeling our potatoes and cutting them into small diced pieces, easy to boil. Now let's move on to our chicken breast, cleaned, nice and diced. Now let's add some chicken bouillon and some poultry seasoning next. Now some black pepper, some diced garlic, and into the water they go. Let's not forget our green onion, some oregano, and our Lipton thin fideos. Look at that soup. Let's add some turmeric for color. And look at that, to perfection with the freshly squeezed lemon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.